headed into the show. This is our turn up here, and that's East Carbon, Sunnyside, Dragerton, whatever you want to call it. And it's gonna be awesome.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
We made it. In the shade. Bo Huff, 2025. One of my favorite Bo Huff cars here. Showtime.
Oh, dude. Aw, man.
Crew.
Hold on. You don't know how true that statement is, John.
Statement of what? We're in a state.
Well, we did Bo Huff to its fullest. We stayed in the CD motel and went to the show, and it was really good. There's just that cool nostalgia stuff, that nostalgia style hot rods and customs. And then we did the dance. They had the dance and the band afterwards. That was super cool. Some people getting crazy, especially the cowboys from the rodeo, cowboy kids. Then we went back to my buddy Cameron. He has a old hamburger stand there that's been shut down. I think it was shut down the year before I came here the first time, which would be like somewhere around 18, 19 years ago. It was a good show, you know, a lot of cool people, cool clubs, good times, you know. Kids are doing a little fishing, and we're just kind of hanging out. The later we hang out, the closer we can get to later tonight, where it's going to cool off. And so it's about 2 o'clock now, and we'll probably end up starting to move here pretty soon. But we're going to go down through, I always want to call it Coral Pinks, but it's not. What is it called? Anyways, going home.
Capitol Reef.
Capitol Reef. That's what I'm trying to say. Go down through Capitol Reef and then come down 89 back into St. George. Just kind of a back roads way of going back instead of hitting the I-15, which is a little crazy. The speed limit on I-15 is 80 miles an hour, so you know our 65 isn't really cutting it. But it's all right. Anyways, good weekend, good people, good friends, good times, good stuff. The oil leaking is so bad. Jesus. Just dropping hard. Yeah, that's rear main seal. Rear main seal's leaking like a biatch. There's nothing we're gonna be able to do about that. Yeah, we gotta pull the motor or the trans, or both, or drop the crank down or pull it out, or it's a big job. But it's 2 tracks to keep driving. We'll just keep putting oil in it all the way back home, and then fix it later. Finding some of those old back roads to take. A little bit more flip-flops. Never been here. That's how I know when to refill the oil. See how it drops like that? We're still at a safe pressure, especially for the speed we're going. But an old clip clop makes you stop. You get to see stuff like this. You know? Kind of the beauty of the old stuff, really. They it makes you stop and appreciate all the road and the nature you're going through. Crazy sun. Fuel running low. Oil starting to click. And then off in the distance, there's a gas station. So we pulled in late last night, this morning, 2 a.m. And we ended up doing 27 quarts of oil, and the dime and JB steel weld, the little putty stuff, and ended up holding that on there. The what else? It was a long, hard ride, you know. But we'll take clip clop into the shop. I think I can do that oil rear main seal with just taking off the pan. I think I can do that. I think it's possible, anyways. And you know, gonna get on with it. But awesome drive. Bo Huff's was awesome. The dance was awesome. The show was awesome. It was great. Good times.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and